morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are, ladies and gentlemen. The Mega Monster Flyer and Postcard is really helping a lot of people. Okay, this is your time to look at a serious big ticket offer that is going to put some serious money, $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 cash for a U.S. postal money order and 5 books of stamps in your mailbox. It is so simple, so easy to do. Take a look at this wonderful flyer. You keep 100% of the profit. Okay, you're gonna get a copy of this exact flyer that you're gonna see right here. But not only that, I also give you the Mega Monster postcard that comes along with this with the sales letter. Okay, you can go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com, and you can see the Mega Monster flyer, the All Your Money flyer, and over 30 money-making flyers and postcards from different starting points, from $100 on up to $11,000. That's some serious. You pick which flyer that best fits your investment. www.cashcowprogram.com, people. Give me a call, 832-271-2366. 832-271-2366 is the number. Look here. It's just 10 people started at the $1,000 level. Mailed out, let's say 500 flyers. It just got 10 people out of 500 people. That's $10,000. Okay, well, it was 2,000. You're looking at 20. 10 people doing 3,000. That's $30,000 people that day, that week, or that month, along with 5 books of stamps. It is so simple. All you do is you check whether you want the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Here are some of the things you get with all of the offers here from the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 level. $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Okay, that's great. My story is that I went to Walmart grocery shopping once I was done. Okay, gave them my coupons. My grocery bill had came up to over $190. Once I was done, I paid less than $100 for my groceries because I had coupons for the items I know that I use. There's a difference. You can't lose with the coupons you choose, people. You see how much groceries is going up. You're getting so much for that $1,000 investment in yourself and to the Mega Monster and to the prison ministry, because some of the proceeds go towards my prison ministry. Okay, you're gonna need $1,000 in fast food restaurants: Denny's, Wendy's, Arby's, IHOP's, Boston Market, Ponderosas Steakhouse, Olive Garden, Popeye, Burger King. So many amazing places. Okay, a 3-day, 2-night trip or an 8-day, 7-night trip. Okay, and the hot mailbox cash money marketing kit, people, it is, I can't even put into words how spectacular that marketing kit is. And it's going to be the same for you. Plus, you have unlimited support from me. Okay, now there's a one-time $200 admin fee. Okay, most of the businesses that's starting in $1,000, you're going to pay over $200 for an admin fee anyway. And then it goes to the 2,000 level. Okay, the only difference is you're going to get 2 3-day, 2-night trips with this particular one. Admin fee $400, and the 3,000 admin fee is $600. There's an 8-day, 7-night trip included in there, and 5 books of stamps, and plus coaching and mentoring for me. If I'm going to mentor you, I'm going to need you to be teachable and coachable. Okay, it is so simple. Let's say that you started at the Mega Monster 2000. Then you're gonna get the Mega Monster Flyer with the level 1000 and 2000 on it. Okay, if you do the 1000, you're just gonna get the one with the 1000 on it. All right, if you do the 3, you're gonna get the whole thing. Not only that, but I'm going to add to that the unlimited cash payment flyer, people. The unlimited 300. This is an amazing flyer itself, okay? With the unlimited 300, 5 people sending you $300, that's $1,500, okay? 15 people sending you $300, that's $4,500, people, okay? And you got 3 levels. Level 2 and 3, you get a residual income of $300, people, and 5 books of stamps for getting started with me with a Mega Monster. The Mega Monster, people. Also, at the cashcowprogram.com, we have the All Your Money flyer. Now, the 1,000 may be out of reach, but the 500's not. So with this one, it's big ticket, but it has a little less. The investment is $500, $1,000, and $1,500. It's the same principles here, except for with the 500, it's a $150 admin fee. With the 1,000, it's $250 here, and with the 1,500, it's $350. Okay, that means they're gonna send you 500, 1,000, or 1,500. Again, if you start at the 1,000 level with this, you're gonna have opportunity to make $500 and $1,000. Okay, but that comes along with, if you get started with any of them, okay, the All Your Money or the Mega Monster, either one of them, we're going to send you the unlimited cash payment. Just make sure you give me a call, 832-271-2366, 832-271-2366. Okay, now back to the Mega Monster. All right, so now what happens is you can send this priority mail or FedEx or UPS. Just make sure you get a tracking number so we can keep up with your shipment and track it for you, okay? And when we send your package to you, we're gonna make sure you do that as well. Also, on the you're gonna get 1,000 leads at the 1,000 level. You're gonna get 2,000 leads at the $2,000 level. You're gonna get 3,000 leads at the $3,000 level. I want to make sure I cover that. But right here, people, it's simple as this. All right, box 1 is where you're going to send your initial payment of 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000. Okay, box number 2 is where you send the admin fee. Right here, the 200, 400, or 600 admin fee goes right here. And that's it. The Mega Monster Flyer and Postcard, okay, or the All Your Money Postcard and Flyer, which starts at 500, 1,000, and 1,500. Same principle as the Mega Monster. You get the unlimited 300 cash payment flyer free. Again, with this, once you hit level 2, 3, you're making money off of other people's efforts. Okay? It is simple, it is easy. All Your Money, Mega Monster, people. Look at this beautiful flyer. Okay? So I hope you have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here. Don't forget, click on that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell so we can get notifications whenever we pop up. God bless you. Have a great day. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determines what you get. Get the Mega Monster now.